Hello, so today we are going to find the molar mass of organic acid. Okay, so let's start. See, let's take the organic acid as HNA, where H is obviously hydrogen and n number of hydrogens can be there, and A might be any group of an organic acid. So this is a chemical process, it's carried out in lab. So what happens in it, let's see. So in an organic acid we add AgNO3 in it. Wait a sec. Okay, now then when we add this, a sparingly soluble salt is formed, which is AgN. The valency of H and Ag are the same. Now when we heat this, we get Ag, and during the whole process we calculate mass of the product. So it is W grams here and Y grams here. So now let's start our calculations. How are we going to solve it? Now AgN equals to Ag. Number of moles of Ag is going to remain constant throughout the process because the atom is always conserved. So number of atoms here are same as the number of atoms here. So moles of Ag is this. Hence, moles of AgN and of A are W divided by 108 divided by N. Because 1 mole of AgN has N moles of Ag in it. That's why this value is coming. Okay. Now, we are going to focus that W minus Y. What will be this value? If this is W and this is Y, W minus Y will be AgN minus Ag. We are subtracting the mass of Ag basically from the whole AgN's mass. So it will give us the mass of A. Okay. This is important. Now, we know that in HNA, moles of H are N times moles of A. Okay, so moles of H will automatically become 108 N Y by 108. These are moles of H. Got it? Now, we have got the moles of H. So, mass of H will be moles of H multiplied by 1. So, it is simply Y into 108. We finally know that molar mass is equals to mass upon moles. So what is the mass? It is W minus Y plus, this is the mass of A, which is any group. I don't know about it. Nobody knows. That's why we are calculating. So plus Y by 108. This is mass of hydrogen. Multiplied by 1 upon moles. Multiplied by 1 upon moles. Moles, how many moles of HNA is present? A moles of HNA is present. And what? How many moles of A is present? Y by 108 N moles of A is present. So 108 N by Y. So finally, when we solve it, we get 108 NW by Y minus 108 N plus, for this part, we get Y gets cancelled plus N. So finally, it becomes 108 NW by Y minus 107 N. Let's second check. Okay, done. Now, mass of organic acid comes out to be N times 108 W by Y minus 107 grams or probably grams, or any value you can take. So yeah, so this is the weight of molar mass, basically, not mass. This will be the molar mass of that organic acid. Okay, so this is the way calculations work. So, and it's confirmed that it will be in gram only, because we have taken all in moles, so it will come in grams only. Okay, so this is the way, and this is basically a physical process used in labs. So in like in notebook or in our copy we can do for any organic acid, but specifically when we do it in labs we have to consider multiple things, that the salt formed should always be, this salt formed always be sparingly soluble or non-soluble in the solution whichever is formed. Otherwise we cannot collect the whole agn and weight. Okay, so these all minute things should be considered during the experiments. And now subscribe to the channel. Thank you. This was the video.